Hey, what's going on everybody? Ryan Huggins here, and in this video, we're gonna be covering the 1 Minute Millionaire, and today we're talking about the mentor section, the section of mentoring. Hey everybody, all right, so today we're gonna go ahead and talk about mentoring, and everybody who has had a success story, they usually have some sort of story about the mentor that really sparked the idea or sparked the drive and the actual love and passion behind their success, which is really exciting. So today in the book, we do talk about the mentoring, and this is the 1 minute review of mentoring. We're gonna take a little bit more than 1 minute, but it goes along with the theme of the book, obviously. So there's going to be 8 different things here when it comes to mentors that we talked about and read about in the previous chapters here. So number 1, if you want to go ahead and grab a pen and paper, that way you can jot this down. Pause it now if you don't have a pen and paper. That way you can write it down because it is important information. It will definitely help you as far as that goes. And then also while you're at it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up on the video. So Number one, every successful person has mentors. A mentor is a shortcut to perspective, proficiency, and patience. So what's really exciting is I've had tons of mentors growing up along my life. You know, you have, you even hear about like the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. A book is a mentor. He had 2 mentors in the book, his regular dad, his educated dad, and then also his rich dad, which taught him how to be successful in business. So a book could be your mentor. Also, in a previous business of mine, I actually used to sell Cutco knives for Vector Marketing, and I had extremely great mentors in that company. It was phenomenal. I ended up doing over 5 million in sales with the company and hitting a level of court of honor. And it also was like my first real experience of an entrepreneur and really taking my life to the next level and seeing what is possible, because they really preached the positive motivation and things like that. But the mentors there helped me out tremendously. And then when I got into real estate investing, I had a mentor, my friend Nick Diaz from high school. He's actually been doing it for 15 years. He's the one that's been teaching me all of the ins and outs of the investment aspect of it. But then I'm also watching Bigger Pockets podcasts on YouTube and several other, Morris Invest on YouTube as well. So if you've checked them out, make sure you hit them out. They're great people to watch. So it is definitely a shortcut because they're gonna be able to tell you what went wrong so that way you won't do it wrong. And they're also gonna be able to tell you what went right so you can follow in their footsteps. So I do highly recommend that as far as that goes. Number two, mentoring is powerful form of leverage. So mentoring is a powerful form of leverage. Drawing from your mentor's experience is the quickest, safest, and easiest way to climb that millionaire mountain. So it doesn't really matter what profession you're in. You know, what's really exciting, I personally just got into investing, and I'm learning how to, well, I've been doing investing as far as cryptocurrency buying and holding for a long time, selling off some stuff. Recently just started getting into regular stocks with Robinhood, and I got a Webull account because they gave you free stocks. You can check out the link in the description below if you want to find out about some free stocks as well. And then also just recently, I wanted to learn day trading, and there's another guy who teaches day trading on YouTube called Warrior Trading. Phenomenal program. His program is just a little bit too high for me as far as purchasing it and the results I'm going to get. So for me, I'm starting off in a little bit lower situation. I'm going with Forex, where you can actually invest into the local market. So I needed a mentor for that. And I've searched out mentors many times on YouTube, just couldn't really find anything that really clicked for me. But recently I found a group of mentors with a company called Epic Trading. And if you are interested in trading with us in the Forex market and learning how to do it, they teach you with live actual trading. So more mentors coming into my life to teach me on my next path. And remember, millionaire mountains, one of them is real estate, one of them is investing. So I'm climbing 2 millionaire mountains right now. And through mentors, they're helping me get there. So they're going to also teach me what not to do, what to do, what systems to use, and so on and so forth. So if you want to check out Epic Trading, go ahead and click the link down below there, or just go to winwithryan.com, winwithryan.com, and you can go ahead and sign up for that there. Number 3, mentors are everywhere. So each person you meet can accidentally teach you something to advance your cause. Now, what's really interesting about this, I have a story just recently here in my neighborhood. Someone had lost their cat, and they put up a sign on the trees around the neighborhood. Hey, have you seen my cat? I'm searching for my cat. You know, they've had their cat for years and years and years, and unfortunately the cat went missing. And so one day a cat was out here on the deck where you can see the surfboards are. There's a cat running around the deck, and I was like, oh my gosh. And so I went and found that flyer and got the phone number and called the guy. Well, long story short, I ended up talking to this guy for about 25 minutes on the phone. He runs a really large company, and I randomly found a new mentor for business purposes there, which was really exciting. So you never know who could be your next mentor. Shoot, even your best friend from high school could be a mentor, you know, or someone that you know, because you never know what you might be interested in that someone else knows about as far as that goes. So number 3, mentors are everywhere. So keep an opportunistic mind when it comes to mentors as well. Number 4, mentors don't need to be people. Anything that causes you to change course in life, a life-changing, a life-threatening disease, losing a job, reading a book, or an encounter with an animal, funny, with an animal, because of the cat, right, can serve as a mentor. But maybe like an encounter with a bear or something might be a mentor for you on how to camp properly as far as that goes. Number five, constantly seek out mentoring relationships. When you find yourself lacking in anything, an attitude, an awareness, a skill, a habit, a technique, or a strategy, seek a mentor to show you the shortcut. Mentors are going to be, like I said, the coolest thing is that it is a shortcut, because you could, for multiple reasons. One, a book might be your mentor, but what if you know someone that is doing what that book teaches, and they can teach you in person and really help you as far as that goes. Number six, assemble a dream team of your favorite heroes and sheroes, present and past. Form an imaginary council of light consisting of your selected leaders. Imagine being able to counsel with them as if they were communicating with you in person. Now, these people could be living currently. They could be dead in the past. A lot of people that I've spoken to about this specific thing is when they meditate, they also try to contact, and some of them say they do actually contact, but contact and feel and actually become in the presence of these mentors. In living mentors, past mentors, like a mastermind, when you bring minds together, you can actually do amazing things. So just assemble a dream team and think about that. Like, who would you want to be on your dream team? Number 7, set a goal to search out at least one millionaire a month. What if you could find one new person that's a millionaire that could be a mentor for you? And they could teach you some skills. You may even have to end up working for them as an intern, or doing some of the assistant work for them on the side, because you probably have something else going. But find a millionaire mentor to take you to the next level. Number 8, the final lesson here was the best kind of mentor is a transformational mentor. A transformational mentor creates a context in which you experience ahas. Now, if you guys remember, we went through the 24 ahas of becoming a millionaire. If you haven't gone through those, make sure you go back in time in the videos and you can find aha 1 through 24 in there. Each one has their own specific video for that. So what I want to cover now at the very end here is the third manifestation. So for those of you guys that believe in meditation and manifestation, this is the third manifestation in the book. This one is called I Attract Millionaire Mentors. I attract millionaire mentors. So here we go. I attract successful mentors. When I'm ready, they suddenly appear. My mentors offer to mentor me and guide me to the success I desire. My mentors enjoy sharing with me their most important success secrets. I feel confident in asking my mentors for advice. My mentors intuitively know how to help me make the most important breakthroughs. I am able to glean from the relationship with my mentors exactly what I need to launch me towards the goals that I seek. My mentors enjoy the relationship with me. It's exciting to be with individuals who possess the truth that I'm seeking. My mentors willingly share, encourage, and coach me to experience and express my full genius, abilities, talents, and resources. They see more in me than I see in myself. Their gentle, sequential guidance makes all the difference to my accomplishments. My mentors know how to bring out the best in me. I study them up close and personal, if possible. I cheerfully apprentice and pay my dues to my masters as they did with their masters. I read, study, and apply all that they have written and that they recommend. I meet all my mentors' friends, colleagues, and loved ones and make them part of my ever-growing millionaire mentor Rolodex. My life is made infinitely more meaningful with a mentor, teacher who wants to be in service to my greater growth and development. I catch my mentor's passion for life and living fully and richly. I realize no one has ever achieved greatness who did not have mentors. I am willing to have great and inspiring mentors throughout my life. I am learning from my mentors how to be a mentor myself. I am prepared to mentor others when the opportunity presents itself. So again, the 1 Minute Millionaire, that's the mentor section. I hope you really enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Love you guys. And if you have any questions about any of the things we talked about, check in the description below for the links to get signed up, get your free stocks, get your free information, and sign up, subscribe, and I can become your mentor if you are looking for one. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you later.